Start over. Okay, so let's re-explain, right? So we start at 68 degrees. If we're falling 4 degrees every hour, what's going to happen at hour 1? Gavin? 64. And then we go down to 60. And then 56, not 54. Okay, it says write a linear equation. Now this is a little bit different than yesterday because what's going to happen to our slope? It's going to be negative, okay? Negative 4x plus 68. I think there's a better way to think about this though, so let me know if you think this is better, okay? We know that the initial degrees is 68, yes?
Yeah.
Okay, and then every hour we're subtracting 4. Does that make more sense when we write it that way? Okay. I don't care which way you write it. Mathematically, this is the proper way to write it. Okay, but I want it to make more sense to you. Okay, so if it makes more sense, write it the second way.
So like, let's say we get this on the test,
OST test, yeah.
would they count it wrong if we think
Nope. That's one thing that's really good about the OST test is that they accept answers like all different ways, which is really, really nice. Like if the answer's 2, you could actually put in 4 divided by 2. Isn't that crazy? Like think about it. Like if you're trying to answer 2 on the test, another version of 2 is 4 divided by 2. You with me? So you can actually answer that way, which is weird. Okay, but they make it so that if you have the right answer, they don't count you wrong.
Okay, yeah. Is that why it takes forever for them to like?
Grade? Yeah, probably.
Because they need to find out what the sun's mass is.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah.
All right, according to your equation, what is the temperature when T equals 2.75 hours? So take your equation. Oh, we should have written this with T. That's okay. It would be like this. F of 68 minus 4T. Okay, so if you wrote it, that's fine. Whatever. Okay, so we're going to plug in 2.75 for T or X. Okay, go ahead and calculate that for me. What do you get?
57.
Can somebody else confirm 57? Okay, 57 what? Degrees Fahrenheit. If the cooling continues, when will the temperature be 32 degrees, which is freezing? How are we going to set this problem up? Yes, F is going to be 32. Okay, what are we going to do to solve for T? Yep, subtract 68 from both sides. Oh golly, so we get negative 36, yes? Okay, and then divide by negative 4. Did you get 9? All right, 9 what? Hours. Make sure you put your label on there. So after 9 hours, the temperature would be freezing, or 32 degrees. Do you have questions for me? Feeling okay? All right, interpret the y-intercept in context. What does 68 mean? That's the starting temperature. Okay, what about the slope? What does the slope mean in context of our problem? What does the slope mean in the context of our problem? Jeremiah?
How it goes down from 68 each hour?
Yes, it's dropping 4 degrees each hour. So temperature is dropping 4 degrees per hour. All right, practical domain. What does the word practical mean? And what's practical mean? Like normal?
Yeah.
Okay. Kind of. Yeah, kind of like normal. Like if we're talking about a situation, right? Practical would be like it makes sense in that context, right? So it's kind of normal, okay? It's normal for that context. So if we're talking about domain, okay, domain's associated with which value? Which is in this case what? T, right? Yeah, technically T. T is what? Time. So if we think of time, what's the least amount of time that we're calculating here? 0. Okay? Do we know where time ends? No. Okay? We know when it freezes, but we'll just go ahead and say infinity there. Okay? But I actually want to kind of think about technically you don't put an equal on infinity. I don't really care how you write it though. Okay, you can put it there. It's fine. Now, I want to think about time because can we have think about like would we stop it at 0 degrees or can we have negative degrees? Yeah. So we're going to leave that as infinity. But if it would stop at 0, we would plug 0 in and solve for it. Okay. But in this case, we can have negative temperature. All right. Example 2. To start her collection of comic books. Does anybody have a collection of comic books? I don't think that's a thing anymore.
Wait, was there just a collection?
Yeah.
I guess my dad had a small one.
Yeah.
Are Pokemon cards like when people used to
Oh, that's a
Oh, okay. I have
that was a thing.
I have a bunch of like football cards.
We used to when I was a kid, we would trade Pokemon cards. All right, get back to it. To start her collection of comic books, Joyland's uncle, would you say Joyland? Joyland he gives Joyland a box of comic books and several monthly subscriptions to comic books. The number of comic books in her collection, Y, after X months, is modeled by Y equals 40 plus 6X. So, what does the number 40 represent in the equation? Now, first of all, before we read the options, what would you say 40 is?
40.
It's the starting amount, right? Okay. So, is it the price of a subscription? No. Okay. What about, is it the number of months that she has a subscription? No. Is it the number of comic books in the box she received? Yes, that's the starting amount. Let's check D. The number of title subscriptions she received in a month. Okay, so it's definitely C. Definitely C. Okay, here's what we're going to do. There are 5